Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so in this question, I want to give you a tutorial of how to make like a smooth animation on Scratch. So as we know, we can make some animation on Scratch like uh, sprite transformation and others. And and you should know that you can make it more uh, smooth than it used to. Okay, so right now we just roughly go to Scratch. Okay, yeah, I'm about to show. Okay, there you go. So this way you can use it on Scratch 2 and Scratch 3 also, but for Scratch 1 I didn't know. Okay, so right now I'm gonna try to use in Scratch 3. Um, okay, so first we're gonna try actually this smooth transformation. It also can be applied to movement, so it can be smooth movement. So okay, for now we're gonna try to use the smooth transformation first. Okay, so I'm going to change. So if the sprite is touching the mouse pointer, then it will be bigger. But the transformation it must be smooth. So how that can apply? So I go so first. Um, we're about to use this change size by go to operators and then we take this one, okay, minus and divide. There you go, and put the minus block inside the first column of the divide block, and then we're gonna take this size and I just set it to 10 and 100 again. And okay, so then let's do forever and if, so then if it's touching mouse pointer, then it will be set to this, and I'll set this column to 5. Okay, and then I'll just take if then else to make it more simple. Okay, wait a second. There we go. Now we're gonna set, so then if it's not touched, it'll be set to maybe 16. Okay, so try it. There you go, as you can see. So if this part is touching mouse pointer, then it will be set to 100, but the transformation of the sprite is divided by 5, as you can see right here. So then it'll be much more smoother than if you use this block. And now we're gonna try to compare with this block. Okay, we're gonna try to use it. Okay, there we go. Repeat 5 times because it's divided by times. Divided by 5. So then see. So then let's set to 50. Okay, so first we're going to set this first. Okay, as you can see, the animation is smooth, and but if we do this, if we change into this block, it will go like this. But if we change with repeat, I mean repeat until, see it's not very smooth. And if we put like delay, maybe what 0.2, it'll be like this. So that's why instead of using this, I prefer to use this to make the transformation. It's much more smoother, and it can also be applied to what's that? To a movement. For example, like this, we're gonna set the sprite to go to the mouse X and mouse Y instead of using go to mouse position, mouse pointer. I mean that make the sprite will go with mouse. I prefer to use this way. Okay, so I'm gonna set this change X Y and change Y Y. There we go. And then we're also gonna need this block, so I'm gonna take it right real quick and go to operators. Here we're gonna do the same thing as before. This, this, there we go. This, there you go. Then let me duplicate the block like this. I'm gonna set to this. Sorry, I mean this. There you go. 5 by 5, and we're gonna set it to point toward mouse pointer, and so it will be like this. Look, it's much more smoother, and because it's too fast, we can set it to maybe 50. Then maybe like this. So if the mouse pointer is close, then it'll move not really fast, but it's far, it'll be more faster. There you go. So then you can make your game much more smoother and much can make a game with a better transformation effects. And yeah, actually not only that, but you also can use more what's that more algorithm to make your game much more better. For example, I used to use algorithm so that the sprite can like wiggling, like do a wiggle animation, but maybe I'll show you on other video. So yeah, and but the only leak of this algorithm, if you want to make like explosion, like make uh, code so that if the sprite is collide with the sprite, it will just like a block, like a wall or something like that, that can block the sprite movement. Then you need to add like an extra code, so that it'll be more complicated, it'll be more complex than if you use if you not use this, uh, because is the sprite speed, the sprite movement speed is depend on their mouse cursor distance. So the far it gets, then this uh, the more far, then the fast it get. Okay, and maybe that's all from me. Thank you so much for listening. Hopefully this can be useful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.